Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on a Black Shark 5 Pro. So in order to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store. From here begin the search for an app and enter Firefox. You can add browser, but Firefox is enough, so now let's click on this app. Now let's install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. From here, begin customization, so we can change a theme, pick a toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up, read the privacy notice, and when it's all done, click on Start Browsing. And right here, your browser will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.